Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon. Thank you, Dr. Mitra, for the kind introduction, and welcome to this session to all. Let me just respond to a few points that will be raised by Dr. Mitra just now, is regarding the current demands and requirements for us in angel education. Let me just start with this point. I think the rise and fall of a nation is closely related to the quality of the people, which is quality of education. Without saying that the quality of education is of a prime important, and is look at from the SDG point of view, you can see that goal number 4 relates to the quality of education. Okay, and then if you look at from the Malaysian perspective, we have got the Shared Prosperity Vision 2030. Again, the issue of human capital is being raised, and one of the trust is related to transforming human capitals, and basically that's where we as angel educators have to play our part here. And one of the enablers to reach to transform the human capitals is developing future talents, and this is again where we are responsible to ensure that our graduates are okay, right? And again, is the issue of quality education is one of the main strategy, as mentioned in the 12th Malaysian plan, the way forward. And not only that, as been mentioned just now by our keynote speakers, the importance for us to look in what happens in the future, and content on the digitalization and also advanced technology is of a main point to be taken care. And again, in our blueprint, did address on the talents excellence. And I'm quite sure the other ministry as well will pick up the issue of talents, skilling, reskilling, learning and relearning, unlearn is also being addressed. And also we do need to as well, not only looking at the how to, but also what are the contents being addressed for the future. Right, in our national fourth industry revolution policy, so we need to equip the rakyat with the 4IR knowledge and skills. So again, the issue of upskilling and reskilling are of great importance. I think this has been picked up by all institutions of higher learning, be it public or private universities. I'm just quoting one here, as I'm from UTM. There is a proper strategic priorities addressing what actually has been requested by the government or the society, right? And again, from other points of view, from the World Economic Forums, and as being mentioned by Dr. Mazuki just now, the skills that is currently very important for us to address. Again, the same slide as been mentioned by Prof. Mazuki. Not only that, I think the other society, for example, the Royal Academy of Engineering, report on education, educating engineers in the 20th century, has stated that the industry requirement requires the graduate with deep understanding and technical knowledge that is underpinned on the fundamentals of the discipline and mathematics, along with the necessary thinking, which is critical, analytical, and creative thinking, and so forth. And again, in the RHEd, mentioned that what sort of engineer that we wish to produce. from the Covalent point of view, so the stress that engineers should create new technology and knowledge and local and international level are the key to the nation's competitiveness, right? So again, the same thing, that's what has been mentioned by Prof. Malzuki just now. And again, our MQA, our Malaysian Qualification Agency, in a Malaysian context, give emphasis on the curriculum design and delivery. And not forgetting, again, being we are our programs are being accredited by the EAC. So these are the 12 program outcomes that we need to address. So perhaps this is one model that we can emulate, championed by SIM, in order to get ourselves connected.